Have you ever wondered why humans lie, even when we know it's wrong? From tiny white lies to big dangerous lies, our mind has some surprising reasons. Today, we'll break down the psychology of lying in a simple and eye-opening way. One of the biggest reasons we lie is to avoid trouble. Our brain wants to protect us from consequences. So we create a small lie to escape blame, punishment, or embarrassment. Sometimes we lie because we don't want to hurt someone's feelings. These are called white lies. When someone asks, "Do I look good?" we say yes, even if we don't mean it. Some people lie to appear smarter, richer, or more successful. It's called impression management. The mind tries to build a perfect image, even if it's not real. Fear is one of the strongest reasons we lie. Fear of losing someone, fear of failure, fear of judgment. When fear controls the mind, honesty often disappears. Sometimes lying becomes a habit. The more we lie, the easier it feels. The brain starts thinking, "Just lie again, it worked last time." This is how small lies become big lies. But here's the twist, lying doesn't make life easier in the long run. Truth builds trust. Lies break it. Our relationships, friendships, and self-respect depend on honesty. When we choose truth, we choose peace. So the next time you feel the urge to lie, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, what am I afraid of? Because honesty might be hard, but it always leads to a better life. If you learned something new today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.